The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the Study Buddies and class schedule features. First, let's talk about the Study Buddy feature. After the start of the semester, you have the option to connect with your classmates through the Study Buddies feature. This is a collaborative space for you to connect and work together. You will see a list of all your classes. Click the Join button for any of the classes that you want to be connected with other students. By clicking Yes on the Join Group screen, you are agreeing to share your name and Madison College email with other students in that class. If other students have already joined that group, you will see their name. To connect with them, you click on the box next to their name and email the selected classmate. You are able to add or remove yourself from a group at any time. You have two ways to look at your class schedule: in a list view or in a calendar view. In the list view, you can click on the course name to see course details, including the days, times, and location of the class. Online classes are listed across the top as they aren't associated with a specific block of time.